Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Evvoli air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the modes of the air conditioner. First, we will explain the most commonly used cooling mode. We press the mode button, and when the world cool and the snowflake icon appear on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In cooling mode, we adjust the temperature of the air conditioner between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. If you want the air conditioner to consume less energy, it is recommended to adjust the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. This is the fan button of the air conditioner. The air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. As the speed increases, the cooling power of the air conditioner increases. It is recommended to choose a low speed in the bedroom. We press the mode button and switch to the next mode. The word dry and the water drop icon appear on the screen. This is the drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. When the mode button is pressed again, the sun symbol and the word heat appear on the screen. This is the heating mode of the air conditioner. In this mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner above 26 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, you can set it to 26 degrees Celsius. Setting the fan speed of the air conditioner to the auto speed mode in heating mode makes the air conditioner work more efficiently, because in this case the fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor according to the condensation temperature. At the same time, the evaporator of the air conditioner will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to this mode, the fan button is pressed several times, and when the word auto appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to the auto fan speed mode. We press the mode button again, the word fan and the symbol appear on the screen. This is the fan mode, and the air conditioner works like a regular fan in this mode. When we press the mode button again, the word auto and the symbol appear on the screen. This is the auto mode of the air conditioner. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the set temperature at the same level. For example, let's say we set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius. In this case, if the room temperature is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and if it is higher, in cooling mode. We press the mode button again and return to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use the other button. There is a sleep button with a crescent moon and a star on it. When this button is pressed, the same symbol appears on the screen. Let's say we set the air conditioner temperature to 22 degrees Celsius and go to bed. In this case, using the sleep button will help us sleep more comfortably, because the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 2 hours and raise it again by 1 degree after a few hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. With the help of the swing button, it is possible to move the air conditioner's blinds up and down or stop them in any position. Sometimes, when our room is too hot, we can use the turbo button to intensify the cooling. When this button is pressed, the air conditioner will operate at maximum fan speed for 15 minutes and then return to the previous fan mode. We can turn on and off the display light on the air conditioner with the LED button. When the clean button is pressed, the air conditioner's auto cleaning mode is activated. To exit this mode, you need to press the on-off button. This is the I favor button. You can save the favorite air conditioner mode in the air conditioner's memory by pressing this button. For example, now I set the air conditioner temperature to 24 degrees, cooling mode, and the fan speed to medium fan speed, and hold this button down for 1 second. The indicator on the screen disappears for a moment and then return. If someone changes the air conditioner setting, we can return to our favorite mode by pressing the I favor button. Sometimes it happens that we don't want anyone to use the air conditioner remote control and change our setting. In this case, if you press and hold the turbo and clean button simultaneously for 5 seconds, the air conditioner remote control will be locked. As you see, no buttons are active now. To exit this mode, you need to press and hold the turbo and clean button simultaneously for 2 seconds again. Air conditioner users rarely use the timer mode. The timer mode is for turning the air conditioner on at a programmed time, and the timer off mode is for turning it off. Let's say we go to work at AM 8 and we want our air conditioner to turn on an hour before we return home. If we are going to return home at PM 6, then our air conditioner needs to turn on at 5 p.m. For this, while the air conditioner is in standby mode, we press the timer on button and set it to 8 hours and move our hand away. The indicator will disappear from the screen after flashing several times, but the word on will appear on the screen. To exit this mode, we can press the on-off button or press the same button again to reset the indicators. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off after 6 hours while it is running, when we press the same button twice again and set the timer off mode to 6 hours and move our hand away. To exit the timer off mode, we press the same button and reset the number in the timer off mode. There is one more function here. This is the following function. To switch to this mode, we press the set button, and when a human silhouette appears on the screen, we press OK. We see the temperature change on the screen. This means that now the air conditioner measures the temperature via the remote control. To exit this mode, you need to press the set button, then the OK button. Thank you for following us until the end.